Hello, this is the full review video about the foam roller branded as the Rumble Roller. It's a home self-massage tool that allows you to dig deep into certain areas and be more intense. It is used to help relax and release your muscles from any tightness, tension or soreness. It has many claims. It is a foam roller for deep tissue muscle massage to enhance faster recovery. It also claims that it manipulates soft tissue like a massage therapist. You are instructed to roll through tight muscles and knots to reduce soreness and improve mobility. Foam rollers are designed to massage your body in such a way that it releases muscle tightness and knots in the body. After an effective foam rolling session, your body should feel looser and more flexible. A lot of foam rollers on the market have different types of surfaces. Some are completely flat, some have very slight ridges, and some have more prominent patterned ridges. These different surfaces are designed to provide different pressures and angles for a deeper release than the traditional flat surface. As you can see here, the Rumble Roller looks a bit different and extreme in appearance and has rather large bumps and grooves, especially when compared to other rollers on the market. It is also very firm but light in weight. These knobs or bumps are supposed to imitate the thumbs of a massage therapist. The large bumps are deep enough to penetrate deep into the muscles being rolled or massaged. The idea is that this Rumble Roller provides deep tissue massage, which is something that traditional rollers cannot. This roller is marketed as being more specialized and costs quite a bit more than the standard foam roller. The Rumble Roller is available in different variations from size, color, and density. Size. There are 3 sizes that are available. Full size, which is 31 inches long and 6 inches in diameter. Mid size, which is 22 inches long and 5.5 inches in diameter. And compact size, which is 13 inches long and 5 inches in diameter. Color. The Rumble Roller comes in either blue or black. Firmness. There are 2 options of firmness. The original firmness is deemed to mimic thumb pressure and is good for all body parts. The extra firm option is 36% firmer than the original and is recommended only for experienced users. Specifications of this model. The size is 13 inches in length by 5 inches in diameter and the weight is 450 grams. Quality and durability. The outer surface when rolling feels tougher than the softer foam on a usual foam roller. The materials. The surface is a proprietary EVA polyolefin blend, and the surface feels strong and unlikely to tear even after long-term use. The Rumble Roller surface is also waterproof and latex-free. The Rumble Roller does not have a hollow core or center like a lot of foam rollers. It has foam inside it instead, with a plastic tough outer surface with these large bumps on it. It feels very much like it is built to last. Rolling with this is quite extreme, which is surprising after using other foam rollers, so be careful and take it slowly. With the Rumble Roller, it is best to find a painful spot, then hold on to that spot. Do not roll fast back and forth like a usual foam roller. To get the best out of the Rumble Roller, you need to move extremely slowly. The instructions that come with it will explain the technique that is needed. Conclusion. Overall, I'm glad I bought the Rumble Roller. The rumble roller is so firm and hits so deep into the muscles that rolling quickly will be of no benefit here, as there isn't time for the deep grooves to sink in. I would recommend this definitely, but follow the instructions that go with it and roll slowly. It is excellent value for money, costing £14.99. It is available on Amazon, so click the link in the description box below. It has a portable design. You can put it in your carry bag and take it anywhere. This multifunctional massage roller is lightweight and easily fits inside your gym bag. With this portable roller, you can get relief from any aches and pains or soreness anytime, anywhere. In summary, I would buy the rumble roller, as it will do exactly what it is advertised to do. It will hit the deepest trigger points and release the muscle tension around the body. As the rumble roller is a more intense foam roller, it may be a good strategy to have this along with a regular basic foam roller to use them on different areas depending on how deep you need to go for each muscle group and how much pressure you want to apply, so you get the best of both worlds. But please be aware, the rumble roller is not for beginners, as it may be a little too aggressive or painful if not used slowly or targeted properly.